What's up, everyone? Today I want to introduce to you the first version of the Synergy Solutions PinPoint Chemical Measurement Tool. Use this tool to help gauge your usage of each individual product, figure out your cost per car, and troubleshoot system issues. You can see here, we first have the dial in the back pointed away from the check valve. This is your normal operating position. So now the pickup tube is pulling from this chemical station. You can use 30s, 55s, 15, and also 5s, picking up from the tube and going to the applicator. When you're ready to start measuring, you can see there's a scale here from 0 to 100 milliliters on your volumetric cylinder. You're going to put your finger over port A and turn the dial to the top position. From there, you're going to use the prime bulb, squeeze it multiple times, and the chemical gets sucked up into the volumetric cylinder. This could take a couple pumps. When you get to 100 milliliters, you're going to stop pumping, but keep your finger over the port. If you let go, you can see it starts draining. So keep your finger over the port. I'm going to go back up to 100. I'm going to get into the testing position on the valve. If you overshoot it, you can come down a little bit. You can rattle it as much as you need to. We're going to switch to the testing position now, which is to the check valve. You now may remove your finger from port 1, and you can see it holds the product in the volumetric cylinder. So now we're going to run a couple cars and get an average of how many milliliters is getting pulled per application. We typically recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 cars to do your measurements. And then we'll see what our usage is on average. So we just ran 3 cars, and you can see that the levels changed on the volumetric cylinder from 100 milliliters to 70. So we divide 30 milliliters of product divided by 3 cars, which gives you 10 milliliters per application. So now we're ready to go back in normal operating position. You'll switch from testing position to filling position to normal operating position. If you go straight there, you'll leave a little bit of fluid in there. You throttle back and forth. You want to time it up just right so that your pickup tube still stays prime. It's not a big deal if it doesn't stay prime. You'll just have to run your applicator so that your normal operating position line is filled. You're not sucking air. And or you can use your prime ball to prime that tube back up. For more tips and tricks and to learn more about some of the new solutions we got going on, please visit us at synergygetstart.com or call us at 330-497-4752.